The launch of NASA's Voyager probes was like the start of an amazing trip into outer space. It showed that we can keep an eye on not just Earth, but also everything in our solar system and beyond. Even after 46 years, these awesome spacecraft are still giving scientists new and stunning information about space. Although their memory is 3 million times smaller than that of our smartphones and they're 38,000 times slower than our fastest 5G internet connection, these incredible probes still lead the way in exploring space. Now, Voyager 1 has just made an impossible discovery in interstellar space, one that challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. It found something so unusual that scientists are left scratching their heads. But what exactly did it find, and how does it redefine our understanding of the cosmos? Let's find out. On a special day, September 5, 1977, from a place called Cape Canaveral in Florida, something amazing happened. Voyager 1 began its journey into space, launched by a powerful rocket called Titan Centaur. Just 15 days later, on August 20, 1977, Voyager 2 joined in, starting its adventure into the universe. Their main job was to check out the big gas planets in our solar system, like Jupiter and Saturn, and the moons around them. But guess what? These space travelers went above and beyond. They ventured way out into our cosmic neighborhood, breaking numerous records on their astonishingly long trip. They've been going longer than any other spacecraft ever, and they've gone farther from Earth than anything humans have made before. They even ventured into a place called interstellar space, which is like going into a whole new part of our galaxy that no one had explored before. These space pioneers, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, are more than 12 billion miles away from us now. Still, they continue to surprise scientists with the amazing things they're finding out there, and they've recently found something so unexpected that no one saw it coming. The voyages of these twin probes have done some awesome stuff. More than 40 years ago, they observed the moons of Jupiter and Saturn and totally surprised scientists. People used to think these moons were boring and full of holes like our moon, but nope, they're buzzing with activity. Voyager 2 was the first of the twins to swing by Uranus in 1986, and just 3 years later, it zoomed past Neptune. Interestingly, it's the only spacecraft that has ever done that. As these spacecraft continue on their amazing journey, NASA is doing some tricks to ensure they keep working. They've turned off some unnecessary parts and heaters to save power so these spacecraft can keep going strong until at least 2030. For the scientists and engineers who have been part of this incredible adventure from the start, it's a mix of happy and sad feelings. They worked hard, and now, when they thought the Voyager missions were almost done, a shocking discovery emerged from outer space. The information sent back by Voyager 1 and its twin spacecraft has become a treasure trove for scientists. They sparked tons of discoveries and got people excited about space. These are two spacecraft that were built extra carefully, kind of like stable platforms, so they could take clear pictures and gather data while zooming through space. Even before they reached the outer planets, their pictures were already blowing scientists' minds. Voyager 1 started sending pictures of Jupiter even though it was still far from the planet. People at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory got excited when they saw the first pictures of Jupiter's swirling clouds and the famous Great Red Spot. But the big moment came when the Voyagers found something amazing on Jupiter's moon. This moon, a bit bigger than Earth's moon, turned out to be the most active volcano in our whole solar system. Voyager 1's tools picked up weird signals from Io, and the pictures they took showed huge volcanic eruptions and stuff flying out into space. One of Io's volcanoes, called Pele, erupted tremendously high, even more than Mount Everest, and covered an area almost as big as France. The Voyagers combined took more than 33,000 pictures of Jupiter and its moons. They showed how stunning Jupiter is and all the different landscapes on its moons. Before this recent and more shocking discovery, these twin spacecraft have been finding awesome things since they started their trip. Another big surprise was finding out Jupiter has rings, although they're not very bright. This discovery made Jupiter even more interesting. Also, Voyager 2 discovered that Europa, one of Jupiter's 53 moons, has a thick icy shell more than 60 miles thick. These discoveries made scientists rethink what they thought about these faraway things in space and got them curious about whether icy moons like Europa could be places where life could exist. As the Voyagers left Jupiter, they got a boost from the planet's gravity that acted like a powerful kick, sending them towards Saturn. This kick was exceptionally important because it helped them break free from the Sun's pull and keep going into space. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 went their separate ways after that, heading to new places. Voyager 1 got close to Saturn's moon Titan, which has a kind of orange hazy air around it. Scientists got curious about Titan's mysteries, so they studied its complicated chemistry. Then, Voyager 1 turned away from the other planets and started going beyond our solar system. On the other hand, Voyager 2 had some amazing adventures too. In 1986, it flew by Uranus and found 10 new moons, adding to the total count. 3 years later, it reached Neptune, showing us the amazing things about this faraway ice giant. Voyager 2 even measured winds on Neptune going as fast as 1,000 miles per hour, the fastest ever on a planet in our solar system. When the spacecraft got close to Neptune, just 2,980 miles away, it gave us new and incredible details about this distant world. Neptune's biggest moon, Triton, turned out to be one of the coldest spots in our solar system, with temperatures dropping to a freezing -391 degrees Fahrenheit. Triton also had these cool ice volcanoes that shot out nitrogen gas and icy stuff into its thin air. All these discoveries made us realize how different and interesting the planets and moons in our solar system can be, even the frozen ones. Imagine a space adventure story, and one person who made a big difference in keeping it going was the famous stargazer Carl Sagan. He was part of the team that took pictures for the Voyager mission, and he wanted to snap one last set of pictures before turning off the cameras. These pictures would be like a special gift for everyone on Earth, a final look at our home from way out in space. Sagan didn't give up, and it paid off. On Valentine's Day in 1990, Voyager 1 turned its camera back towards the inner solar system and took 60 pictures. The most famous one is called the pale blue dot. It was taken from 3.8 billion miles away, making it the farthest picture ever taken of our planet. In the photo, Earth looks tiny, like a pale blue dot in the huge space around it. Even after 40 years, these spacecraft are still out there, sending us important information from the farthest parts of space. Now, let's talk about something a bit old school. The Voyager probes use an ancient 8-track tape system. Yes, you heard it right. 8-track tapes were a big deal in the 70s, and these probes are still rocking them. The use of 8-track tapes in the Voyager missions demonstrates the ingenuity of the people who planned these missions. They ensured that even older technology could still perform the necessary tasks. But why 8-track tapes? In the early days of space exploration, digital storage as we know it today was in its infancy. They needed something robust and reliable to store critical data, and 8-track tapes turned out to be the perfect choice. Interestingly, the data on these tapes isn't just music, it's valuable scientific information about planets, moons, and the space between the stars. These tapes hold answers to some of the biggest mysteries in the universe. The Voyager spacecraft faced extreme conditions such as intense hot and cold temperatures, space radiation, and the vast emptiness of space. Remarkably, these spacecraft continue to function well, akin to sending your grandparents on an adventure in Antarctica where they not only survive but thrive. The Voyager missions employed a technique called gravity assist maneuvers. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, the two bold space explorers, used the gravity of large planets to propel themselves further into the solar system. This space dance with planets like Jupiter and Saturn allowed them to save fuel and gain the speed needed to explore various parts of the solar system. Gravity assist, or gravitational slingshot, involves gaining speed from a planet's gravity as the spacecraft flies by. For instance, Voyager 1 approached Jupiter at a precise angle and speed, using the planet's gravity to accelerate like a space power-up. This maneuver required incredible precision to avoid veering off course, and the NASA experts executed it perfectly, making the cosmic dance a success. These gravity assists enabled Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 to achieve extraordinary feats in space without exhausting their fuel, akin to winning a cosmic race with style. Additionally, each Voyager spacecraft carries a special item called the Golden Record, a space mixtape with greetings, music, and sounds from Earth, intended to communicate the essence of our world to any intelligent beings they might encounter. This aspect of the Voyager mission, conceived by Carl Sagan, is like a time capsule from the past, showcasing humanity to potential extraterrestrial civilizations. In 2012, Voyager 1 achieved a significant milestone by venturing beyond the heliosphere, the protective bubble created by the Sun's particles and magnetic field, and entering interstellar space. This marked the first time a human-made object had left the Sun's influence and ventured into the space between stars. Interstellar space is an uncharted territory filled with unknowns, and crossing into it provided scientists with the first direct measurements of this new environment. The spacecraft's instruments, originally designed to last only a few years, continued to function remarkably well, sending back data that challenged existing theories and opened up new questions about our galaxy. Voyager 1's journey into interstellar space offered groundbreaking insights into the density, temperature, and magnetic fields of this new environment. Scientists studied the transition zone between the heliosphere and interstellar space, discovering it to be a complex and turbulent region. This provided new understanding of how our solar system interacts with the rest of the galaxy, influencing theories about the dynamics of stellar wind bubbles and the Milky Way's overall structure. Voyager 1 also encountered higher levels of cosmic rays in interstellar space, providing valuable data about the radiation environment beyond our solar bubble. This information is crucial for planning future deep space missions, including potential human exploration of distant planets. The spacecraft's crossing into interstellar space symbolizes humanity's desire to explore and push beyond the known into the unknown. It carries the golden record, a message from Earth to any intelligent beings that might find it, containing sounds and images representing the diversity of life and culture on our planet. This journey represents not only a technical and scientific achievement, but also a profound statement about our place in the universe. Voyager 1's entry into interstellar space in 2012 was a monumental achievement, marking the first time a human-made object had left the protective bubble of our solar system. This milestone provided scientists with unprecedented data about the interstellar medium, challenged existing theories, and opened up new questions about our galaxy. The Voyager spacecraft continue to inspire, reminding us of our innate desire to explore and understand the cosmos. Despite their fame, what makes the Voyagers truly special is their ability to keep discovering amazing things in the darkest corners of space. For over 10 years, they have explored the space beyond our solar system, providing precious information about places we can't easily reach. Then, something truly astonishing happened. In the vast expanse of space, Voyager 1 picked up a strange signal, exciting scientists immensely. They weren't sure what it was, but they knew it was significant. Even after accomplishing so much, Voyager 1 continues to uncover incredible findings from faraway places. The story of the Voyager mission is a testament to human curiosity and innovation. These spacecraft, born from our desire to explore, began their journey over 40 years ago. They were not just about exploring our solar system, but also about pushing the limits of what's possible, both in space and in the human spirit. As they continue their journey, the mysterious signal they detected reminds us of the universe's vastness and the surprises it holds. Every new discovery made by Voyager 1 and its twin spacecraft brings us closer to understanding the vast, exciting, and sometimes puzzling universe we live in.